What is going on, guys? It's your boy Moto Genshin back at it again with another video. Today we received a package from the mail, and it's gonna be our radiator guard slash protector thingy-majiggy that goes on your radiator. We are gonna unbox this bad boy, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it as well. This will protect your radiator from any small rocks or whatever hits it, and you don't want that stuff on your radiator and making it look ugly, all dented up and stuff. Anyway, unboxing is right now. All right, so looking at this right now, it looks like we're not gonna unbox much. It feels like a very lightweight package. This did come all the way from China. I did order it from AliExpress. It costed me around roughly $17 after shipping. So yeah, let's go see. I did order the black one, so hopefully they gave me the right thing. Okay, so just like the windscreen, it looks like they just packed it with some foam and tape to keep it all in there. Very basic, not even a box. It doesn't even come with a box. All right, looks like we got some, what is this, like double-sided tape, our mounting screws, and the one we've been waiting for. Ta-da! I like how it says MT03 up front. I believe that is the front side. So I'm not sure what this one is for. I think it's like a padding? I don't know. It looks to be like it's double-sided as well. Like there's an adhesive over here. Let's figure it out and let's install it on the bike, shall we? So before you install this thing, it might be a good idea to brush it first or clean whatever it needs to be cleaned. You don't want this stuff, that stuff, to be stuck while you have the radiator guard on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just brush it up real quick with this this chain brush that I got, and I'm gonna use this end. So. All right, that looks clean enough to me. Okay, so once you got that cleaned out, you have 4 of these fasteners. They're 5mm Allen key. We got 2 on this side and 2 more on that side. I've already removed the 2 over there, so we're just gonna work on these 2. Once you get those out the way, grab your radiator guard and just try to slide it in there. This brake line would be kind of in your way, but good thing about these things are this radiator guard made out of aluminum, so it's very flexible. So you could just squeeze it in there. Just try to get this lip on that part of the radiator. Now you can go grab your mounting screws. I was gonna use the OEM ones, but I did notice that they're a bit short, so they wouldn't reach the mounts. So the best way I found installing this is to have that spacer in there first, kind of sandwiched between the guard and the mount itself. So you get that spacer in there, and I found that the best way to do it is grab your Allen key and kind of fish it through the hole and get your screw ready. And then just, I don't think you even need to do that. And just mount it in there, just like so. So now you have the spacer in between the radiator guard and the mounting hole. Perfect. All right, so after we get these two sides, we should be done. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the radiator guard we just installed. In my opinion, it looks really great, and it gives your bike, if you have a black bike or the black MT03, it gives you that kind of stealthy Batman type of look, you know. And plus it serves a purpose. It helps rocks and other debris from hitting your radiator. So I give this product a 10 out of 10. Good price. I got it within 3 weeks of me ordering it, and it looks really great. I'm really impressed. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget, leave a like, comment on what you want to see next, and also I'll be leaving a link, a non-affiliate link down in the description below for anybody who wants to buy this for their own MT03. They also come with a bunch of different colors too. I think there's a gold and a red and a blue one. So thank you for watching. Peace out, guys. Ride safe.